reporting live and direct from beautiful Rome at the National Museum in Rome. Today we want to talk about the Roman languages. There are 5 major languages that developed at the end of the Roman Empire period. And starting from the largest to the smallest, those are Spanish, French, Italian, Portuguese, and Romanian. And as you will notice, English is not a part of those, because English, although it is Latin derived, basically the most popular words in English come from German, because we did have such a conquest from Germany, the German states, the Angles and the Saxons, from the 4th and 5th centuries all the way to the 8th century with the Vikings. And so that's why we have the 5 Roman languages. This is Dr. Clark reporting live and direct from Rome. Don't forget the importance of the 5 Latin-based or Roman languages. Have a beautiful day from ClarkvonHeller at YouTube.